welcome back to the Soulful Shenanigans channel. I'm actually very excited about today's video. I received this gorgeous wig from our favorite hair company, LUVME Hair. They sent me this gorgeous wig to try on. I actually handpicked this style. I know it's a little different, okay, but rock with me, rock with me. I'm gonna give you all of the juicy details on this wig, but before I do that, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the Soulful Shenanigans channel for more videos and content like this. And let's go ahead and get into the video. This is the elegant salt and pepper gray loose body wave wig from LUVME Hair, and here is everything that comes in the packaging. We do have the wig, of course. This wig also comes with a mesh storage bag to store your wig in, a box label card just in case you decide to store the wig inside the box, a custom edge band. It also comes with some lace scalp tape. You can use these and put them underneath the parting on your wig so you don't have to worry about tilting the lace. The wig also comes with a set of wig caps and a detailed user guide and info card. This is a human hair wig with 150% density. It does come with a glueless cap construction. There are 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back. It does come with adjustable straps and an adjustable elastic band. This elastic band is secure to the unit, so you do not have to worry about it slipping off. This wig features a minimalist lace design. There is only lace within the parting and around the perimeter of the wig. You get about 6.5 inches of lace around the edges and the perimeter, and the parting space is about 4 inches deep. And this wig does come with pre-cut lace, and it's also pre-plucked and pre-parted on the left hand side. So I'm using my new lace tint spray from Kiss, and I'm gonna go ahead and tint the lace on this unit. So now that the lace tint is dry, I'm going to go ahead and tighten the adjustable straps and pop her on. Now, I'm not wearing a wig cap today. I'm kind of over the wig caps. Also, with a lot of the LUVME Hair wigs, I actually don't really need the wig cap because the lace is usually pretty good. And also, the wigs are pretty snug and secure. So, skipping the wig cap today. Alright, so this is what the wig sort of looks like straight out of the box. I am going to brush out the curls a bit because they're a little too tight for my taste. And I'm just going to use my dimming brush. Okay, so I changed my top because the other one was clashing way too much with his hair. I think the black looks so much better. It definitely highlights the highlights. Okay. Alright, so this is what the wig looks like after I've tinted it and sort of brushed out the curls a little bit. Alright, so I do feel like I'm going to need to add some more makeup to the lace to make it darker and blend in. Alright, and I'm using my handy dandy Nika K contour powder, and I'm gonna just put that right there on top. Okay, so now that I've done that, this is what the wig looks like. This looks really cool. I think this color is super cool, very mature. Let me show you what it looks like from the back. I am currently using all 3 combs in the wig, the 2 combs in the front and the 1 in the back, and the wig is pretty snug and secure. One of the things I love the most about this wig is the length. I really love short wigs because I feel like they're a lot easier to maintain versus longer wigs, because you have to do all of that detangling and then they're everywhere. They're all down your butt crack and stuff. I love shorter wigs, and I actually love the way that the back of this wig actually fits very snug to my neck, so it's not like lifting or anything. Although it is a salt and pepper wig, so it has been dyed, the hair is very soft and it's not tangling like at all. I can easily run my fingers through it. I also love that I can still put this wig behind my ears, and it actually looks very realistic, even though the lace is not completely ear to ear. And if you're not really into the curly style, being that it is human hair, you can straighten it or recurl it or style it any way that you like. So I know this wig is not going to be for everybody, but one thing about me, I am not afraid to try a new hairstyle. Okay, I'm definitely not. If you knew me like way back, before I even started doing wig reviews, I used to be really into synthetic wigs, and I would literally have a new color every week. I have tried every color except for silver. This is my first time actually trying a gray wig, but I have tried every color: pink, blue, purple, yellow, green. I have tried them all. So I am not afraid of stepping out of my comfort zone and trying something a little different. But I love this wig. I love this hairstyle. It is so like, I don't know, it's kind of, it feels a little sexy, like a mature sexy, if you get my vibe. But I do want to share with you guys the main reason why I tried this wig, because I know that majority of my audience would not be into a hairstyle like this. A lot of my passions centered around beauty are inspired by my grandmother. I lived with her for most of my life, and growing up, this is what my grandmother looked like. She always had a fresh wig, a bold red lip, and the outfit was dressed down to the T. And she is the only woman in my family who was really into beauty and just getting dolled up. So I got that from her, always watching her do her makeup and putting her wigs on and picking out her outfit. That was my grandmother, and I really enjoyed those experiences that I had with her. I will actually be gifting this wig to my grandmother because a few years ago she was actually diagnosed with cancer. And not to make this a super sappy video, my grandmother's very feisty, nothing gets her down. But she has been having to undergo treatment, and she has lost most of her hair. And this wig is right up her alley. I know it would make her feel so special and like the woman that she used to be. So that is the main reason behind this video. And also, I never know, like some of y'all could actually be interested in hairstyles like this and you just don't say anything. So I like to try a little bit of everything because you never know what people are interested in. I love this wig. I look sexy as hell. Anyway, if you are specifically interested in this wig, the direct link will be down in the description box below. I also have a special coupon code from LUVME Hair. I'll leave it right here on the screen. You can use it and save yourself 28% off of your orders. And if this wig is not necessarily your forte, LUVME Hair actually has a lot of great wig options. They have a lot of affordable options. I really love their glueless wigs, and I have a whole playlist on my YouTube channel full of wigs that I love from LUVME Hair. Our special coupon code can be applied to any of the items on their website. So definitely check them out. I'll leave all of the information down in the description box below. Let me know down in the comments what you think about this gorgeous salt and pepper wig. Is it something that you would try, or is it too out of your comfort zone? Let me know. That is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching all the way through to the end. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Soulful Shenanigans channel, and I will see you all in the next video.